Hello, and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush with Crunchbase integration. A lot of people ask us the question, is SEMrush worth the price of admission? Our answer is that SEMrush delivers a wider array of tools than any of its competitors. That's because they are continuously expanding the platform and thinking of new ways to make their customers more competitive, to beat your competition online. One of the keys to winning new clients is knowing more about them before you ever step in the boardroom with them. That's where SEMrush's new Crunchbase integration works its magic. If you're not familiar, Crunchbase is a platform for finding business information about private and public companies. Crunchbase information includes investments and funding information, founding members and individuals in leadership positions, mergers and acquisitions, news, and industry trends. Did you know? Crunchbase has more than 3,700 global investment firms that submit monthly portfolio updates to Crunchbase. This relationship ensures Crunchbase has first-hand access to the most up-to-date information. The platform also features 50 million plus active yearly users and 1.1 million plus yearly updates. Let's see how it works. Let's head to crunchbase.com in our web browser. Now head to the search field and type in something easy like Apple, and we immediately see all the entries for organizations, people, hubs, and events that match the term Apple. Let's click Apple under Organizations, where we can see an overview that includes the number of acquisitions and investments and basic contact information, IP and stock price, funding rounds, investors and investment information, acquisitions, hubs, tech stack data, app metrics, web traffic data, patent and trademark info, current and past team members, recent news, and so much more. So that's a pretty powerful database, but frankly, you don't need it all to be effective in digital marketing. That's where SEMrush with Crunchbase integration comes into play. Let's head over to SEMrush.com. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and make sure we are in the Competitive Research Toolkit. Then scroll down to the Big Picture section and click the Traffic Analytics link. Once in the tool, let's search for apple.com. On the Overview page, you'll see a heck of a lot of data. You can see historical data if you have the right SEMrush subscription. Importantly, you can filter data by region and device. Note the estimated accuracy reading. A lot of the criticism of SEMrush in the past has been that the data has been inaccurate. SEMrush has attempted to assuage this concern by adding this metric and an explanation. Just count on more popular websites being more accurate. Why? It's partly because of the way SEMrush gathers data. It takes a sample of the total data population for site visits and extrapolates it to the whole. Also note that your analytics data will likely never match SEMrush's for this same reason. Now let's click the Add Competitors button in blue to add two of Apple's competitors in the media and entertainment space, Amazon.com and Netflix.com. Here we can see tables and graphs that compare visits, unique visitors, pages per visit, average visit duration, bounce rate, and traffic rank. You can see audience overlap, where we see that Apple visitors are more than twice as likely to visit Amazon.com than Netflix. It's also worth noting that Apple is beaten by both competitors for all major traffic sources. Scrolling to the bottom of the overview is where you can see some of the power of Crunchbase come into play. You can compare the firms in terms of company name and short description, market categories, and there are more than 900 available, address of the headquarters, number of employees, total funding amounts, and foundation date. So that's it for the Crunchbase SEMrush integration. Use it to prepare for your presentations to current and future clients. By the way, if you head back to the top of the overview page and click the other tabs, you can see other useful SEMrush information. We cover those tabs in detail in the Beat Your Competition online course. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the course at semrush.beatyourcompetitiononline.com.